Hello, everyone. Welcome to all of you. Today, I'm going to start chapter 9, a new chapter with a new exercise. Exercise is 9A. Name of the chapter is decimal. Okay, so let us start this video. But before starting, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then subscribe it because I upload frequently videos. And if you'll subscribe it and press the bell icon too, so you will get the notification whenever I'll upload the video. So this is the exercise 9A on your screen. So let us do the first question of this exercise. First question says these shapes have been divided into tenths. Write the fraction and the decimal that name the shaded region. Okay. So one has been already done for you. In part A, as you can see, there are 10 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And out of 10, 6 parts are shaded for you. So you will write 6 upon 10. Why? Shaded parts you have to write in the numerator, shaded, and total number of parts you have to write in the denominator. Okay, so shaded upon total. So it is 6 upon 10. Now, how are you going to write 6 upon 10 into the decimal? So how many, this thing we have done in the previous chapter, how many zeros are there in the denominator? 1 0. There is only 1 0 in the denominator. So what we will do, we will put a decimal after one digit in the numerator. So it will be 0.6. Okay. Now if we talk about the B, so there are 10 parts and 2 are shaded. So we will write 2 upon 10, means 2 are shaded and total 10 parts are there. To 2 upon 10, and we will write it 0.2 in the decimal form. Okay, now C part, total 10 parts are there, and out of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are shaded. So 4 upon 10 we will write. Okay, 4 upon 10, and it will be 0.4. In the same way, if we talk about the D part, so out of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are shaded. So 7 upon 10, it will be 0.7. Fine. And E part, it is 10 upon 10, so it will be 1. 10 upon 10 means 10, 10 cancel, 1 is the answer. But actually there are not 10 parts. If you see here closely, so you will find that 10 are there and 10 are other parts. So total 20 parts are there. Okay, 10 here and 10 here, total 20 parts are there. Out of 20, how many are shaded? 10, 11, 12, 13 are shaded. So it will be what? 13 upon 20. So how to write it into decimal? So what you have to do is you have to divide 13 by 20. Fine. So you have to put a decimal because 13 is lesser than 20. So it will be 130. Now 2 6 are 12. So 26 are 120. Okay. So it will be, you will get 10 as remainder. Now increase one more 0 and 25 are 100. So your final answer is 0.65. Okay, 0.65. In the same way, you will do question F. Total there are 20 parts, out of them 18 are shaded. So you have to divide 18 by 20. So put a decimal, increase 0, and 29s are 180. Fine. So the answer is 0.9. So in this way, this is the whole explanation of the part 1. Now I'm going to explain question number 2. Question 2 says copy and complete this chart. So as you can see here, 4 upon 10 is written as 0.4. Okay, in the same way 6 upon 10 is written 0.6. So you will write here 0.6. It will be 0.3. 10 upon 10 means ones. Okay, 11 upon 10. So you will write, because only 1 0 is there in the denominator, so decimal will be decimal should be placed after one digit from right hand side. So it will be, you will write decimal here. So it will be 1.1, 1.1. Now 13 upon 10, 1 0, the decimal will be after one digit. It will be 1.3. Okay, 1.3. Now it is 1.7, it is 2.0, it is 2.3. Fine. Now question 3, write the number names. So 0.1, how are you going to write it? 0.1. Okay, it is 18.5. 18.5. So you will do on your own this question. Okay, B, C, D, E, F. You have to do. Now question 4, shade the regions for each given decimal. So if we talk about the A part, so A part is 0.8. It means if you remove the decimal, it will be 8 upon 10, because after the decimal there is only one digit, so only 10 you will increase in the denominator. It will be 8 upon 10. It tells us that total there are 10 parts, out of which 8 parts we have to shade. So we have to shade 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay. Now in B part, 0.5 is there, so it will be 5 upon 10. Okay, when you will remove the decimal 10, you have to increase, it will be 10. 5 upon 10 means out of 10 you have to shade 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. In the same way you will do this one also. Question 5, it says the ruler shows the whole numbers from 0 to 5 and their tenths in order. Okay, so what you have to do is the first arrow points to 0.2, which numbers are the other arrows pointing to in order. So actually you have to see the arrows in this question. Okay, up what you have to see, as you can see, this is the first arrow and it is showing 0.2. This is A is the second arrow and it is showing, because this is 0.5, this is 0.6, this is 0.7, so A is showing 0.7. Now arrow B is showing, this is 1, this is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay, B is showing 1.3. And if we talk about the H, so H is showing, because this is 4, so 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6. So H is showing 4.6. In the same way you will do the rest of the question. Okay, so I have explained the whole exercise. You have to do it in your copy, or you can fill it in your book also, but even if you are filling in the book, you have to do in your copy. So I will recommend you to do all the questions in the copy and then send it on the group. Thank you everyone. God bless you.